In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel bids as a seller on eBay. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand how to manage your listings with ease and confidence. To begin with, head over to eBay's main site by entering ebay.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a section labeled My eBay. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially your dashboard where you have access to all your account settings, including your activity as a seller, which is what we're focusing on today. Now that you've clicked on My eBay, you should be able to see a list of options. Here you need to click on Bids and Offers. This is the area where you can keep track of all the bids and offers that are currently ongoing for your listings. Essentially, it's the control center from which you can manage this part of your selling activity. Once you're in the Bids and Offers section, look for the option labeled View Offer Details. Clicking on this will allow you to see in greater detail the bids and offers that you might need to address, especially if there is a specific one that you need to cancel or retract. Now identify the particular listing or offer you're concerned about and look for the Retract Your Offer option. Click on it. It's important to note that retracting a bid or offer is a significant action, so be sure this is exactly what you intend to do before proceeding. After clicking on Retract Your Offer, eBay will ask you to choose a reason for your retraction. Be honest in selecting the reason, as this helps maintain the integrity of the platform and ensures that your seller account remains in good standing. Finally, with your reason for retraction selected, you'll have the opportunity to confirm your decision. To complete the process, click on Retract Offer. This will officially cancel the bid or offer, and you should receive a confirmation that the action has been successfully completed. A few tips before we wrap up. Remember that canceling bids should be done judiciously. It's important to ensure that your reasons for retraction align with eBay's policies. This keeps your account healthy and avoids any potential issues with your seller's reputation. And there you have it. Canceling bids as a seller on eBay doesn't have to be a complicated process when you follow these steps closely. We hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your selling tasks. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and happy selling on eBay.